Welcome everyone to my video on how to generate Md5 checksum of a file using Python. So first of all, we will see what is this Md5 checksum. Md5 checksum is nothing but message digest algorithm 5, which was being designed by Ronald Rivest in the year 1991 to replace an earlier hash function Md4. And it is one of the commonly used method for validating data integrity. Now, data security refers to protection of data against unauthorized access and is necessary to ensure data integrity. So, data integrity is a desired result of data security, and the term refers to accuracy of data. So actually the MD5 algorithm, it takes input of any length and produces a fixed output of 128 bit, which we call it as a fingerprint of both numbers as well as characters. And it is one of a popular way to check large files that have been transferred. It could be CD, DVD, ISO files, which have been transferred using the file transfer protocol. And Visbit actually uses this method to verify data integrity. Now, how it works? It works by taking an input of any length, as I told you. The input could be of variable length. So you can see in this typical example, we have a file or an input where it reads John Smith agrees to pay $500 per month for rent. So for this, what is being done is MD5 checksum is being applied, and it produces an output of 128-bit fixed length, which consists both of numbers as well as characters. And we also have one more example here. There is a slight change with respect to both the examples. Instead of $500, $5,000 is being used, and it produces a 128-bit fixed output. So this is how the MD5 checksum works. And in the next slide, we can see the Python code. Before that, we just see why security is so important. So, internet safety, online safety, cyber security, or e-security is very, very important and essential because it is actually used to protect the data on the network. So, here you can see the Python code. Very simple Python code is being used. The very beginning line of the code is import hashlib. So, hashlib actually is a library which will help to use the built-in functions that are available in Python. Next, I have been used a variable called file name. You can see a variable file name, and to this I'm going to pass the path of the file where actually the file is being stored. So INS quiz is a PDF for which I want to generate the MD5 checksum of 128-bit. So then I create an object called hasher, and to this I'm going to use the MD5 built-in function, which will actually help me to generate the 128-bit hash. And to do this, what I have to do is I have to actually open the file. So to read as well as to pass the contents of the file. So open is a method which will take two arguments, file name as well as read mode. So I'm going to just open the file. So the mode is read. And once I've been read, I have to pass the contents. To pass the contents, I'm going to use the update method in Python. So once this is being done, we are going to use the hex digest built-in function which is available in Python, which will actually encode the data in hexadecimal format. Once this is being done, have to print the output. So to print the output, I'll use the built-in function called print. So this is a simple Python code which is available and have been used this to print the 128-bit value. Then we shall just see few advantages of MD5. So MD5 is important because it is secure, safe from attacks. It is one of the fastest cryptographic hash function, and also easy to use. It is convenient because every platform has a built-in MD5 hash function, right? So this is the output that I have generated from by using this Python code. You can just see the 128-bit 128-bit output which is being generated. So this video is all about how to generate the MD5 checksum for a given file. Thanks for watching my video and stay safe. Thank you.